Let's talk about deed restrictions. If you've ever bought a home in a neighborhood with an HOA, you've probably encountered them, even if you didn't realize it at the time. A deed restriction is a rule that limits how a property can be used. These restrictions are attached to the property itself, which means they can continue from one owner to the next. For example, imagine you buy a home in a community where the deed restrictions say no boats, RVs, or commercial vehicles can be parked in the driveway. Even though you own the property, you still have to follow those restrictions because they are tied to the deed. Another common example is a neighborhood that requires homes to maintain certain exterior appearances. Maybe all fences must be a certain height, or homeowners need approval before making major changes to the outside of the house. The purpose of deed restrictions is usually to help maintain property values and create a consistent look and feel throughout a community. It's important to understand that deed restrictions are different from zoning laws. Zoning laws are created by local governments, while deed restrictions are typically created by developers, homeowners associations, or previous property owners. Before buying a property, it's always a good idea to review any deed restrictions so you know exactly what you can and cannot do with the property. In simple terms, deed restrictions are rules attached to a property that limit how the property may be used, even after ownership changes hands.